Hello everyone, greeting from Superworks. In today's video, we are going to understand the work diary policy in a very simple and practical way so that you can easily use it. So let's get started. Work diary policy is basically a feature through which you can track the individual productivity of any employee in detail. It gives you complete visibility of what an employee is doing during their working hours. The system automatically captures data like website usage, application usage, screenshots, and time spent on each activity, and everything is recorded day-wise with proper time slots. Once the policy is enabled and assigned to that particular user, the tracking starts automatically in the background. Whatever websites the user opens or whichever application they are using, the system detects it and record the activity along with the exact time. Along with this, screenshots are also captured at regular intervals, so you can clearly see what work was being done at a particular moment. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose we are checking the productivity of MS Dhoni for a specific date. So to check that, first of all I just have to click on the work diary option. Then here in the all user I have to mention the MS Dhoni name. So whenever I will be clicking on his name with a specific date, I will be able to see a complete timeline of his activities. We can check the screenshots captured at different times and understand exactly what he was doing during those time slots. This gives a clear and transparent view of the employee's daily work. Apart from just tracking activities, the system also shows how productive the employee was for that particular day. This productivity is calculated based on the configurations that you have set in the policy. You can define which website or application should be considered productive, unproductive, or unrated based on their configurations. The system automatically calculates the productivity percentage. Coming to the website option, here you can also check the detailed website usage where you will see which websites were accessed, how much time was spent on each website, and whether that activity was productive, unrated, or unproductive. In the same way, application usage is also available where you can see which software or tools were used and how much time was spent on them along with their productivity status. Another important feature available here is live monitoring access. Another important feature available here is live monitoring. Beside the date option, another important feature available here is live monitoring. Besides the date option, you get the option to check the live screen of the employee. If live monitoring is enabled in the policy and the employee is assigned to it, you can view their live screen in a real time without taking any remote access. This helps you to understand what the employee is currently working on instantly. If I click on the live screen option, so from here also I will be able to check his live screening. We will be covering the live monitoring feature in detail in the next video so that you can understand how to use it effectively. So overall, work diary policy helps you to track complete employee activity, monitor productivity, and get a clear understanding of how time is being utilized during their working hours. So in the next video, we will be discussing about the live stream option. Till that, thank you so much for watching.